Good evening, Facebook friends, family, and everyone else. This is Miss Ellen again for another episode of Kitchen Shenanigans. I normally do this on a Sunday night. However, I did it tonight because it was a busy Sunday. So what I made this time was some vegan crab cakes. One thing I had to modify the recipe for the next time is to cut the celery and the celery and the peppers a little finer to be able to hold the mixture together. So this is what the vegan crab cakes look like. They're from Heart of Palm, and this is the sauce, and it is vegan mayonnaise with the juice from the chickpeas, along with some other seasonings and some oil, and then with an immersion blender along with some fresh dill. So this is my most recent creation, or how I say, vegan crab cakes. Is made of heart of palm, the same main ingredient that I use for my fish tacos. So I'm ready to dig in. It is very late at night, but I finally got them finished, and a lot of room for improvement, but hey, it's going to be some good eats. So as always, take care, stay safe, have a great rest of your evening and your week. Thanks. Good night.